G'day guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Peter. Now, I've just acquired this boat probably only about 3 or 4 weeks ago, and I've taken it out twice. Now, this is a new boat for me, and therefore there's always a lot of mysteries. And one of those mysteries are the fuel hoses. Now, I've got 2 separate fuel tanks I'm running here. Now, one of them has this old grey mercury style hose that I've been advised isn't very good. In fact, it delaminates inside and ends up getting sucked through your motor. So I've gone out and purchased a brand new, absolutely brand new spanking fuel hose. I'm going to whack it on the boat, then I'm going to give it a run and make sure that everything works just fine. So let's get straight into that. Okay, so this is the old hose here. This is our auxiliary hose there. This is the old hose. So now I have to pull everything apart, which is going to be fun. So move everything up. It reminds me I've got to pull these batteries out. Pull that up there. I'm going to get under here and assemble some fuel hose stuff. Let's get into that. No, pull it back a second. So I've got to disconnect all that stuff there to be able to get this other hose on, which is going to be absolute fun in the sun. Just got to pull that through, thread it through. Then we got to put it on, tighten it up. Yes, my love. What's that?
I made you.
Oh, thank you. Well, I can't eat just yet. Can you take it inside? Sorry, because it's going to get wet by the time.
Chicken.
So in the end, I ended up having to switch this ball around. See this arrow here? It's facing that way now. So I had to cut the hose at each end, put these extra brackets on, basically clamps, so I could get it the right way, because this end was way shorter than when we saw the fuel tank, which goes underneath here. So I've switched it around, and as we're going to see, it's going to start running beautifully. Here we go.